Hello everyone, in this video I will be reviewing the Click and Grow device. I've been using it for a bit over a year now and I like it a lot. First, do not plant any tomatoes. Tomatoes, it's a great thing actually, it was a fun thing. However, it doesn't grow much of tomatoes. It doesn't make much of tomatoes. And it was kind of disappointing, but I tell you, Click and Grow, it's great for herbs, and I would highly recommend buying basil, lettuce, mint. These are great. They grow fast and you can use them multiple times and they do great, but do not buy tomatoes. The device itself is great, it's very easy to use, it stays clean, nothing to mess it up, and very straightforward. I love using it for herbs. I highly recommended it for herbs, but do not buy it for growing tomatoes. I hope this feedback helped you if you decided to buy Click and Grow or buying the plants that you wanted. And you have a great day.